Hello, welcome to this world of project management. In my 20 years plus experience in manufacturing, I executed many projects. And during this period, I had a quite different experience. In the initial stages, whenever I executed projects, my entire focus was on execution. I loved executing projects and I always wanted to have as many projects as possible because it gave me an opportunity to do something new, to use my experience and my competency. And it was very nice to see something being developed. But I realized that as the project magnitude increased, as the project became more complex, it was really stressful. Why it was stressful? Because it was really a task to manage the costs, the deadlines, and the new requirements that came up as the project progressed. The requirements not only came from other stakeholders, but I also started thinking on new dimensions and I started expanding the project scope, which resulted in over budget, expenses running out of control, and then me cutting a sorry face in front of management. I then realized that I was missing on some methodology. It was something which I was doing out of gut, out of my own knowledge, or some hearsay discussing with some colleagues, reading somewhere. So that project was managed with some information which was in a scattered form. Until then, I stumbled upon the project management body of knowledge because I enrolled for the project management professional, the PMP exam. So when I started studying for this exam, I started gaining new insights. I thought that this is something which I never knew. And I was so happy reading and learning about the project management science or the project management that I was in a haste to implement it as early as possible. And when I implemented this knowledge for my project, the experience was completely different. Positive could be a word which was very less impacting. It was much beyond a very nice experience for me as well as for the management, because the management got very good insights of the project. They expressed it out also that now they feel that they are in control of the project because I was regularly giving updates to them. I was surely, the metrics were in front of me, so I was able to gauge where the project is going. Even if there was some bad news also, I didn't shy away from sharing the bad news to the management. And I got their support, which in the earlier cases I was actually hiding this information or concealing this information because I was too optimistic that one point of time I would be able to correct the situation. But that correction never happened. With project management knowledge, I gained these tools, and with these tools, I could execute projects in a much better manner. And that's thanks to this book, this project management body of knowledge. It's a big book. So in this course which I designed, I thought that since I have gained a lot from this, why not share this knowledge with everyone who is in the manufacturing sector? Because this framework is widely used in all IT sectors. For all IT projects, it's already a default. But people very rarely use it in the manufacturing domain because everyone thinks that this is bureaucratic. This is a lot of paperwork, a lot of documentation. And if we start delving into all this, we'll lose a lot of time and then the project will be delayed. But that's a complete wrong perception. And that's what I want to teach you in this project management course. So this is an introductory course. This will give you an insight, an overview of what exactly is project management, how systematically project can be done, and once you gain some insights, you definitely can manage your projects in a much better way. It will not only help your project, it will not only help you succeed in your project, but it will take your career to a next level. And that is what I have also experienced because it changes your thinking. the way you see projects or the way that you execute them, even the other tasks also. It completely changes your thinking. So this project management course is crafted to help you in your projects. So I hope you enjoy this course. Please enroll in this course and understand the project management and take your projects to a next level.